This New York City landmark has been altered numerous times since its vaudeville years before this most recent 8-year historic renovation. Central to the transformation, the lighting design reveals the elaborate plasterwork and gilded finishes, while quietly integrating this equipment into the historic interior. Aside from the various aesthetic and technical performance demands, the lighting choices incorporate current technology to meet today's energy and safety requirements. A custom 24-foot chandelier pays homage to the original fixture while offering a contemporary focal point, which the judges noted. The design team skillfully balanced respect for the theater's heritage with modern lighting techniques, enhancing spatial depth and emphasizing architectural details. The custom chandelier elegantly reinterprets the original, blending history with contemporary design.